Most people tell you poverty is an escape room. They're lying. An escape room has a door that's actually locked. Your poverty? It's an open door you're refusing to walk through because you've become addicted to the struggle of staying inside. Poverty isn't a trap. It's a choice. Stop blaming the economy because you've been programmed to stay at zero. For most of you, payday is just transfer day. Money touches your hand for 5 seconds before you hand it back to the system. You think money is for surviving. I'm going to show you it's for winning. If you feel like no matter how hard you work, you end up back at zero, it's because you've subconsciously decided that being a victim is safer than being a winner. If you want to stop being a bill payer and start being a wealth builder, you have to delete the poverty code from your brain. I'm going to give you a 7-minute framework to do exactly that. We're going to stop the bleeding, kill the addiction to the struggle, and finally defeat broke once and for all. Let's get to work. Most people are comfortable being broke because they value the approval of other broke people more than their own autonomy. They're terrified of being called greedy or obsessed. If you want to defeat poverty, you have to develop a vehement hatred for it. Hate the fact that you have to say no to your family before they even ask. Hate that your vacation is just a drive to your in-laws' house because you can't afford a flight to Greece. Poverty isn't noble. It's a parasite that forces you to eat junk food, drive dangerous cars, and live in constant fear of a knock on the door. Until your hatred for that lifestyle outweighs your fear of what people think, you are exactly where you belong. We never behave in a way that is inconsistent with our programming. The poverty program tells you that money is for spending. You get it. You feel a moment of relief, and you immediately hand it over to Peter or Paul to pay a bill. You aren't earning money. You're just a middleman for your debt. The wealth program is different. It dictates that the primary purpose of money is to buy more money. Before a single dollar goes to a bill, a percentage must go into an asset. If you spend 100% of what you make, you are a slave. If you spend 110% using credit, you are a volunteer slave. To defeat broke, you must interrupt the cycle. You must learn to value profit over pleasure. Here is the framework to delete the code. Step 1. Sterilize your environment. Stop listening to people who have the results you don't want. If your circle is broke, their advice is the poison that keeps you sick. Step 2. The 10% kill switch. From this second forward, 10% of every dollar you touch is dead to you. It does not go to bills. It does not go to food. It goes into a high-yield vehicle that buys you your freedom. Step 3. Skill over labor. Hard work alone doesn't scale. You can work 18 hours a day at a gas station and stay poor. You must stack skills that the market actually pays for. Stop working on your job and start working on your value. Step 4. Aggressive autonomy. Reject the middle-class trap of buying things to look rich. Real wealth is invisible. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing you don't need that job, that boss, or that approval. Poverty is a mindset that manifests in your bank account. If you leave this video and go back to your old habits, you don't hate being broke. You love the pity it brings you. The framework is in your hands. The door is open. Walk through it or stay in the cage. The choice is yours. If you're done with the struggle, comment code deleted below. We're just getting started. And don't forget to like this video. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Because clarity changes everything.